Hey, do you have a new iPhone 16 and you got a new case but you want to protect the screen? Well, let's review the ESR screen protector. Wow! I'm so excited. I'll be honest guys, I am pretty bad when it comes to installing screen protectors. I'm not that excited, but let's see how easy the installation is for someone like me who is very stupid and struggles with this a lot. So the packaging is pretty simple. It's, typical screen protector box. You do have a guide, which I do appreciate, and it's a full coverage screen protector, which is very awesome. So let's open this up. We got a flap here. It's not going to come out, is it? There we go. Okay, so getting in. Very typical packaging. There we go. So inside here, we have, first of all, the warranty card. Wow. So ESR is pretty awesome in that they do have a warranty card. You can get yourself a replacement if needed. You don't have to go through Amazon. That's very nice. You also get QR code, and this, of course, gives you a link to the installation video, though, of course, I'm going to be stupid on purpose, and I'm going to try applying this without the installation video. There's a bunch of other things in here, but let's figure this out ourselves. Now, the next thing we have in here is the guide, which we do need. And by the way, I should take the phone out of the case first before I put the guide on. And we do have the wet wipes and the stickers and the microfiber cloth. So that's pretty awesome. We do need that. Let's take it out. Okay. Next, well, not next, the final thing, the actual screen protector. So as you can see, this one's actually, so this one does have a black border around it, which it's fine because obviously this is the bezel. You won't see it when you're using it. But let's see how easy it is to install now. So they have made this pretty idiot proof, but I'm still going to find a way to mess this up. So first of all, I should turn off the screen actually. So let me do that. Let me turn off the phone before I do the installation. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, in previous videos, I always managed to wake the screen up, so I'm being sensible. I'm going to turn the phone off first. Let me see if there's any... Okay, so I think just put the thing on like that. So, number one. Wow, the wet wipe. Let me take this out. And let me clean the display. This is a massive wet wipe. Wow. Okay. Wow, this is way bigger than I thought. Okay. So, gives us full coverage of the display. Okay, cool. Next. Microfiber cloth. So, now let's rub the screen. Make sure it's pretty clean. Okay, cool. Next, dust sticker. Now, I'm going to try and... I'm going to pick the phone up and see if there's any dust. Okay. Oh, the guide just came off. This is not... That was a bad idea. Okay, 1 minute. Let's put the guide back on. Okay, let's just keep the phone on the table. Okay, I think we are good to go. Hopefully. So, next. Get this out. Halfway through. Oh, well, I'm just going to take everything. Okay, let's just do that. Okay. Now, align it with the guide. Hopefully. And it should be bubble free, hopefully. I see. So they didn't give us actually a squeegee thing to get rid of the bubbles, but it should be fine. Oh, accidentally turned the phone on. Okay, so there are a few small bubbles, but they should disappear. And I will put an updated picture of the display after the bubbles have gone. But that was a pretty easy installation. I did not find that too difficult. Great. So yes, guys, I can recommend this ESR screen protector. As you can see, it blends in very seamlessly with the actual device. You can barely see it's on. That's pretty awesome. And if you're wondering how it works with a case, let me put the case on for you guys. There we go. So with a case, screen protector is still on the device. That's awesome. So I can wholeheartedly recommend this screen protector. I'll leave a link in the description below. And thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and Apple coverage like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.